Print on demand. Explained.
T-shirt help desk.
What's up, guys? Gary Janae, tshirthelpdesk.com, the place where we cover all things t-shirt related. Make sure you go down, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and if you're watching on Facebook or Instagram, follow us so you'll be notified of all this great information we have on the t-shirt industry. So when it comes to print on demand, especially using a company like Printful, one of the things that you have to understand is that Printful does not work by itself, meaning you don't go to Printful, upload your artwork, and then people go to Printful and buy your stuff. Doesn't work like that at all. You need a separate website in order to make your sales. Then once the sale goes in, the way the whole system's worked out and the APIs and all that stuff, it sends a message to Printful, and then Printful will print and ship to your customer. Okay, so one of the first things that you're going to want to do is go to your print on demand company. We're using Printful in this instance, and you want to create an account and input your credit card. Now, please note, no money, okay? There's no charge to actually use Printful. You just need to have the credit card on file, okay? I'm going to explain all of this a little bit later in the video. All right, the next thing that you're going to want to do is create your own website. This is where people are going to come to actually buy your products, your t-shirts, okay? So you're going to need something like Shopify. You can have your very own website, or you can use WordPress. Now, WordPress using an engine called WooCommerce, all right? You can do it all there. Or you can use something third party that we all know like Etsy or eBay. Now, with having your own website like Shopify or WordPress, you can have your very own domain name like Hot Teas, Political Teas, I Heart Coffee Teas, I'm the Best Mom Teas. You could really get specific in order to hit your niche. You can do the same thing with eBay and Etsy, but of course they have their own website names. So once you know what website service you're going to use and you've already created your Printful account, you want to integrate them together. Hold on guys. If this whole integration thing is a little bit confusing, I have a very, very detailed course free right here on YouTube. Just go right up there, click on that link. I explain everything in detail. Back to the video. So now we're going to go back to Printful, because here what you're going to do is you're going to actually create your t-shirt on Printful. So you're going to go in, you're going to choose what t-shirt you want to use, or what sweater or hoodie or whatever you're going to use. Now, mind you, you have to take this into account. All of these t-shirts and hoodies, they're different brands and they have different prices depending on the upfront cost in the front. That's going to determine how much profit you make in the end. Okay, so what you're going to do is, let's just say you choose a t-shirt, right? You're going to then take that t-shirt and you're going to add your artwork to it. Now, I strongly recommend that you just print the front chest. Don't get crazy with a whole bunch of sleeve and back hits and all that stuff, because that's going to run your price up. So once you choose your t-shirt and you've added the artwork to it, Printful is going to give you your price. That is your cost. That would be the same as if you were buying a shirt wholesale somewhere and you wanted to sell it retail. Think about it as Printful is your wholesaler. Now you're going to go to your website and you're going to put it up on your website and you're going to add a retail price to that. Okay? Think about it like that. Printful is your wholesale, your website or eBay or Etsy, that's your retail. And the difference between the price that Printful is charging you and what you're charging the customer, that is going to be your profit. So let's just say after you've chosen your t-shirt and you've put the print on, it's going to be a total of $8 So now you go over to your website and you charge the consumer $24.99. That gives you a profit of $16.99. So let's just say you sell 10 a day. All right. You just made for that day $169.99. Okay. Not bad. But let's just say you do that for an entire month. 30 days. You just made $5,097. 5 stacks. Okay. That's not bad. And that's how you make money in the print on demand game. So when it comes to print on demand, please understand, you pay Printful, the customer pays you. The difference is your profit. All right, guys, that pretty much sums it up. Remember, the profit is in your pricing. Okay, guys, there are links to Printful right down in the description box. There are links to Shopify right down in the description box. If you want to know about WordPress and WooCommerce, links are going to be right down in the description box. So as I always say, make it happen, Captain. Start you a print on demand company, guys. Print on demand is absolutely, bar none, the easiest way to get into the t-shirt industry. And it literally costs you nothing. You have to put up a credit card, but you don't get charged until a sale comes in. All right. So get out there and get into this damn print on demand game and start a t-shirt business or die trying. Anyway, guys, I'm finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. God bless. Cheers to your t-shirts. And I am. Before I be out, remember, do something good for somebody. And if you don't have anyone to do something good for, do something good for yourself. Peace. Shirt man, yeah, that's me.